Hello everyone. Sincere apologies for today's issues. I don't know why, but today is just like this. So apparently our facilitator still has issues and Alison will be covering up for her. We are going to work on HTML tables and box control today. Alison will be covering up
You
for
can
her.
see the screen.
We are going to work on HTML tables and box control today. Alison will be
Hello guys, hope you guys are getting me. Please put in the comment section. Hello guys, hope you guys are getting me. Please put in the comment section.
Alison, you are sounding distant from your device.
Yeah, I've started from here, but the problem is like once.
You are sounding distant from your device. Oh, no, are you using two devices?
No, I'm using one PC. One PC.
Kind of like echoing.
No, no, one.
Why is it echoing? Okay.
Yes, Abby, are you
Why is
getting
it
me?
echoing? Okay. Are you playing? You are playing the YouTube video as well. You can
Yes, Abby.
leave the live video.
Okay, how about like this?
Yeah, it should be better now.
Let me see in the comment, guys. Hope everyone is getting me. The guys on the YouTube channel, please put the comment. See desktop. Uh, yeah, loud. Okay. Estella and Andrea, hope you guys are getting me. Amira, really? I can't see anything. Yeah, you are live. So, Hamira, please put the comment again. Hope you're getting me. Yeah, Peter is getting me. Hamira, Ganiat, Andrea, Estella, please put the comment, guys. Please, this one. Ganiat, please, can you refresh your browser? Yeah, let me start now. Okay, first of all, to start everything with the HTML, okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to first go to your desktop or wherever you want to create your project folder. So it depends on you. So for my case, I will go to desktop. I will make right click. I will choose the option here and new. I will move to folder. I'll give it a name like HTML table, okay, table class. Okay, give the name which is suitable for you. There's no rules there which is strict. So I can make right click, open with the code. Okay, it will open my Visual Code Studio. So this is the Visual Code Studio, the text editor we are going to use throughout the entire course. So it's very easy to use and it has a lot of features. So you guys know already some of the important ones you guys have been using. So here I will go straight forward. I will click here, this option here, new file, the symbol of a document with the plus. Then this one is showing the symbol of folder if you want to create folder. This one here will help you to refresh the Explorer. So I can click here on new file. Then I can give a name like index dot html, which stands for hypertext markup language, html. I can now press on enter from my keyboard. This file will open to me here. Okay, so the shortcuts to bring the HTML boilerplate codes without memorizing or keep it in other way how people do to make their things, trying to copy everything and bring it back. So I can just type HTML or doctype, so you will have that options. From here, I can just type HTML, then I will choose this option HTML5. You see, this one all will open here. This 12 line without revising everything or memorizing everything. So it's very simple. And yesterday, you guys all know here is a title, here is a body where everything is being written in a way that a browser can understand. Here is a title. So you can change the title to HTML table. Okay, table. Then here we can say uh, H2, which you guys know what is H2 for. Stand for heading 2. You can say HTML table like this. After,
Alice?
yes, are you getting me?
Yes, yes, sorry. Is there a way please zoom in your screen.
Yeah, this is.
I want some parts. Okay, thank you.
So you guys are following, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how it start. Okay, let me make it once again once it's already zoom. So this is how you start. First, you create a folder inside your directory, the one you prefer. So after you create a folder, then you have this option here to open it here. Open with the code. After you open, okay. After you open, you can come here and click on this symbol here. Document plus. Once you click there, you type the word index.html. Then you click enter. So here, this file will be open to you here, the one which you have just created with the extension of HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So what you do here, you can write the HTML, or you can say control question marks like what Bridget used to do to bring you the same information like what you guys are seeing now on my screen here. So as I have said, here is a title. You can put the title here. Example HTML table. Okay, you can put anything there. So it will be your title. So here, what you can do is the body. The body here is what all the content of the sites you're creating or whatever application also going to be here, because the browser know how to treat all the instruction here, because you are just giving instruction machine, so everything can be go well. So here we can start now putting our heading like H2. We can say our HTML table and uh, box modeling. Box modeling. Something like this way. So by clicking here, go live. Okay, the thing will open directly on our browser and it will show us the actual result. You see, here you have the title. First of all, the title which was given is already there, HTML table. So this title also is coming from here, just for brief revision for you. Then heading two here is showing HTML table. So this is where the heading two is being shown. So then we can now proceed with our lecture. Okay, Abid, I hope you guys are getting me. Abid, It's not clear, please. I'm seeing your screen and hearing you sound. Okay, Brahim, thank you. Can I hear now? Okay. Ganiet, hope you are getting me. Put in the comment, please. It's clear from my end. Okay, Peter, good. Ganiet, please, can you confirm for us? Are you getting me or not? Okay, we are here, guys. Up to here, I think no one is having complaints. So to start with a table, okay, we need the element table. Have here element table like this. Then we close it. Inside there, you can either have this table RL, TR, stand for table rule, like this. Then if you want to have a TH, stand for table head. Okay. Assuming you want to put the title of your table there, then we have another TR, then TD stand for table data. Okay. Assume you want to put here like serial number SN stroke 0, you know, something like this. N or not 0, serial number, something like this. Then you copy this one. Here, let me say it should be a name. Okay. Then here will be a class. Then here should be uh, max. You can the max will be here. Okay. Then here is table data. Serial number, let this one go with the 1. Then here name should be Ali. Human. The class will be like senior or something like this. Number 4, let's say max cost will be like 70%, something just basic and brief like this. So what we do, we go back to our browser. Here you click, you guys can see this one stands for serial number. I hope you guys are seeing my browser here. Let me zoom it out for you guys. You guys can see here you have serial number which correspond to 1 here. You have name Ali Juma, class correspond to senior 2, max equivalent to 70%. So guys, are you guys catching up or you guys are still having some problem? Happy home hub, I can hear you, Adila. Yes, yes, yeah. So up to here, anyone having doubts? Are you guys hearing me or not? If the video is not clear, increase your video quality. Exactly, just increase your video quality from YouTube. Okay, so this is what we are doing. So this is the outcome. Okay, we first start with the table, which is the element inside those inside the table. Then you put this on. TR stand for rule, table rule. Then here you have TH, which is going to take table head. Okay, and then you have TH here, which is stand, yeah, TH is always table head. And TD here stand for TD stand for table data. These are the data going inside. So if you want to increase more, assuming you want to add another serial number 2, 3, just copy this one. Okay, copy no, up to here, this one, copy this, put it here. Let's change this one to 2. Then from Ali, let's write Ali with I, and then put James, assuming let's see 4. Let's take max to 50, something like this. Then now let's get back to our browser and see. So you guys can see here, it's repeating or it's not breaking. We expect it like once it reach here, okay, just to come down. Here 2 will be here just next to 1 and then the second name. So how do you go about that one? So since we mix up, it will be all in one. So we need to have this one table rule. Okay. After having this here, the end of this one we can add tr. Okay. Then inside tr we paste this one and save. Here now we go back to our browser. You guys can see the second person is showing here Ali James is in senior 4 and then the max is 50%. So up to here, anyone is having doubt, let me see in the comment. Guys, let me see from the comment. Peter, hope are you getting or not? Let me see a comment, please, guys, because I can't continue while you guys are not showing up. Tell me, are you guys getting me video? Everything's going well? Any doubt? Already did that, but can't see his VS code. Am I the only one? Okay, it's clear for me. Peter is getting, guys. Farhan Abdul Sama already did that, but can't see his VS code. Am I the only one? Uh, Presentation is clear. Voice is clear. Okay, that is Peter. Farhan, can you please refresh your browser? Make Control plus R. Maybe you are not seeing the video because it's somehow stuck somewhere or blocked. So we are here. Okay, let's move a little bit. Okay, since we reach here, we know how we can put the heading. Then we have the table element. Inside table element, we have some categories. The one that can handle the table head. We have the table data. Okay, and so on. So this is how we can start with our basic table. So up to this point, let me hear from Farhan. Hope the situation is good. Farhan, please, can you put in the comment? Presentation and voice is clear. Okay, that is done. Yep, very good. Farhan, please. Farhan Abdul Salam. Okay, let's move up a little bit. So, what do we want to do with the form first of all, or what do we do with the table? So you guys know how to store that, to store data there, or try to display some text, yeah, general display data. So this is how we go with the basic table, how you can create it, how you can do it. So some people might ask a question why it's not showing uh, lines, like some tables usually have some lines, column, rows, and everything. Since you guys can see from our browser here, okay, you are supposed to have some line crossing this one to down. So how do you do this one just in a very simple way or another way? Because yesterday I think that Jet has talked about the inline CSS and external CSS. So this one is easy. If you want, we can install this one without any problem. So let's try to do something about that. Let's say here we are adding a new file, style. Okay, let's just do this one with the style directly before we go to the other one, style.css. Good. Then here is where we are going to write our CSS. And she has talked about having the ID and the classes yesterday, on how you can call the ID, how to call the classes. So here, let's go and connect our style here so that we can try to style that table in a very simple way. You can go down here and say link, link. Just type dot link, okay, press on it. Then here you can locate the file. Where does it locate? It's in the root folder. So here you can have this option here. You can select style.css. So like this is fine. So we can study our style first of all. Here, what do we have? Okay, Abi, so good. So here we have a table, okay, which is the element. We have tr, which is the tx. So first of all, let's say you want to put a border around this one. So this one is now going to have connection with this one, the css box, which is our lesson, but we are still here under table, okay. So let's say here I want to style this one. It's either I give the name, which is going to be the classes, or the id. But for our case, we can style it even without giving the name. Like we can type the word here table, since we are going to have a unique table in this project, okay. We are not going to have other table somewhere. We can be able to pick this name here, like this table here, come here and put it there, okay. We open our curly brackets, then we put the properties. Let us say like border, okay. Border should be 1 pixels solid, okay, solid gray, and it's safe. Let's see, what do you think will happen? You see, it just apply the border around everything. Why? Because table there is the parent container for everything here, which is found inside. So this one become the children. So this is how you can style that one. But just someone who wanted to learn something very good, this one is not a good way of start styling everything. You might have a project that have a lot of table. Once you use, but I'm listening. Okay, good, Abby. Thank you. So here you don't need to start doing things like this. You can learn something in a very bad way, okay. So what you can do, you learn how to give a class, okay. Let's say here you want to give a class to this one. You can just type dot class, okay, put equal, okay. Inside this equal, you give it like a table, okay. Let it be table first of all. Let this one be table, which is good. Then here tr, here we can give it a class. This one should be our table rule underscore root rule, like this. Then this one here will have the class, okay, which can hold like table dash dash head, table heading, table heading. Good. Then yeah, I will rule that one. Very good. Then here is going to be table data. Class name should be table underscore data, like this, which is good. Now we can style this one, okay. So we know all how we can use the name which is given here. How do we call it in our css? So we will call this one by putting dot in the beginning, like this. Once you put this dot, meaning we are selecting only this one. So everything which is inside this table here, from up to this one closing tag, will be applied the style from our css here, everything. So we have applied already. We have given the property of border 1 pixel solid gray. If you want, you can change. Maybe you want to make red, assuming, and click save. Check your browser. You see everything change to red. So now we need to style this one now. This one, which handle the head. So what can we do? So we'll go back here. We'll study where is that one head stand. Okay, it is here. Very good. So what we can do, we'll go with this one. But the problem that if you go with this one, what do you think will happen? It will only apply to this one, SN. So we don't want this thing to happen. We have this one and this one. Now if you apply to this one, which is TR, so we have another TR here. It's going to also affect problem with this one. So what we can do, we can just either adding all classes, okay, classes to this one like this, or we can say go to table, from table go to tr, then select this th. So what we can do simple like this, to avoid confusion, we can say okay, go to table first of all, from table select tr, from tr select th, okay. and then you put these curly brackets and you can give the style everything inside there. So what we are just simply saying, like, go to table, inside table go to tr. Now we have this tr is already included, but we put another option, go and take only th and apply everything. So let's see what will happen. Here we have this one. Let's say first of all color, let the color equal to red. Let's see, is it going to happen or no? You refresh and see. You see, there is nothing happen. Meaning there are some ways we don't need to apply them. We need a very simple way that cannot confuse all of you. So assuming you say you will go with this one table rule heading. So what will happen? Assuming replacing this one with this one and say save here and click R. You see, it will only apply to this one. But our goal is to apply to everything here. Okay, so how do you do that one? First of all, you need to understand your HTML skeleton always. So you see this one is a parent, which is good, and this one hold this one. Okay, and then inside that one, that the same thing also can goes with this one. So that means we have some trouble already. Assume you want to go with the tr only. Say you want to change this one only to tr. You have to, tr is already element there, and save this one and see what do you think will happen. Everything, because they are under rules. So you need to still go and understand your table again. So what else can you do? So guys, I'm just giving you these tips, so that you guys will not get confused on them. Try to know that there are some ways how you can read your HTML skeleton, and how you can keep them from avoiding conflicts with some rules and syntax. So we have this one there. Abida, can you please send me a screenshot? Wait. It's clear. Go ahead, please, Susan Paul. Okay. Yes, we are up and we can carry on, sir. Thank you. And you, Ali. Okay, happy home hub. Thank you. Uh, Good. Later, yeah, later I will send this one. I will send the source code even to you guys. Very good. So we are here. So some people they usually use this one div, which is used for dividing content, like to divide this one from the other one. So let's say here we have our tr table rules here. The way we name with this one, let's say we don't want this one. Okay, we don't want to name it like that. Okay, this one is called, yeah, Ela. Yes. Okay, good. Then we have our table data here. Okay, the table data. That's good. Our table rule. Let's go with this one. Mhm. Th. Let's remove this one. We have only one class here, which is good. So our thing is to deal with this one now. Let's go and select this one and then th. Yeah, so okay, we have this one. No, not this one. Have tr th. Good. Have tr, select th, differentiate and give this one there, so that we can have only particular class. You see, now we can only be able to go with this one, sn name class and the max. So this is how we can go about this one. Here is very simple. What you need to understand, you need to see, okay, here is a parent container, so we don't need to apply to everyone, we need only to apply to those one here. So what we can do, which one is very close to them, so we have tr. So what is next, th. Like this it can make a difference between that one, because here we have td. You see, table data is not going to apply to this one because we have selected tr, and then we go and select td, so it will only apply to those one here. So here we don't need to panic anymore. So we have tr table rule, th table head. So we're applying this one there. So we can put color as red, and then we can say border. Okay, we can put a border like 1 pixels solid. Okay, solid gray, and then let's see what's the outcome. Yeah, you can see there is this box is showing there. So if you want to do border also for this one, the same thing you can do. but the box is not closing. Why? We are supposed to have this rule here from A up to Z or to Z, or let's first of all do the second one. The second one will be like a TR, TH will stand for, no, TB stand for table body. Then we put our curly brackets. We can add the properties we wanted to increase there. Assuming you want to say let border of this one be gray solid 1 pixels. Remember, you can even change everything here. Not like you start with a pixel. You can bring solid, you can bring gray, everything. At the end, it doesn't matter if you can work. Let's change this color to green, something like that, and see whether it will work or not. Have you seen, guys? Everything has worked the way we expect it to be. So this is the first simple way you can start without giving even any class here. You see, here we don't have any class from TR or TH, just using a technique. Just understand which one is a parent, which one is a children. So here, this one is a parent for every them, for all of them. So here we have this one table, rule, and we have table heads. So here we can differentiate them by pick this one has the parent, this one remain the children. So here we cannot have any conflict with this table here. Because this table is a parent, we can be able to add some stuff there, assuming you want to add some space. You see? You guys can see. Assuming this space here, red and the gray and the green here, they are very close. We want to add the space so that there must be a bit of it is still unclear. Abida, are you with me in the studio? Quality option, higher quality unavailable off. The Google does not work for any notification. Yes, still unclear. Yes. Okay, hello guys, are you with me? Let me see in the comment. Wow, very much clear and deep. It's it's clear. Go ahead, please. So Farhan Abdul Salam, hope will you restart afresh? Okay, I can restart afresh, no issue. Please, are you guys getting me? Mary Tabore. Hi everyone, good vibes. Okay. Please put the comment, let me see guys. Whether you guys are following or how. Put the comment guys. Hello guys, put the comment, let me see the progress. If anything is not clear, I'm going to, yes, I am following. Okay, good. Uh, Bakare, who else? Put the comment so that guys I can see the level, how we can do anything here possible. Okay, following you, following you go. This okay. Who else? Ibrahim is okay. Okay, fine. Another comment, guys. Please, please. So, can I repeat what I've just done, or is okay? Let me go ahead. Hello, guys. Okay, let's move. So we are here. I'm saying, okay, you guys have seen here. I am listening and following. So good. Okay, Abi. Good. So, so guys, we are here. So I'm talking like the table there, which is the first element, is a parent container to everything which is found inside. So we have right, like we can put the space between them. We can do anything we want to do. So assuming we are here in our HTML, we know this is the table and we have given a class of table. so we can be able to justify some modification there. Let's go like say we have table, and first of all we have given a border of 1 pixel as solid. Then we have the RGB, which stand for red, green, blue. We have specified some red, okay, color. Let's say we want to add some space. This space is too small. Assuming this space is really small for us, we cannot be able to put it in the way we expect it to be. So let's add some space. Let's try to push this red border away from green and then from this gray. So what can we do here? As the CSS box modeling is coming in, it's all about knowing the top, left, right, and the bottom. So this is all about we play about CSS box. She can reply when the class is over. It's the same. Yes, it's over. Okay, we have here border. We have say padding. Let's go with our padding. Let's say padding is a space inside, then margin is a space outside the container. Okay, in a very simple way of explanation, padding is space inside, margin is a space outside. So we need to put a space where inside this red border, we need to add some space inside, not outside. Meaning putting space, if we put more space inside, this red will push a little bit outside. If you're putting space outside, it will not affect anything here, okay? This thing will remain like this. The space will just maybe push away from this edge here and then from this heading there. So let's start with the space inside the table. So we need to provide the space by putting padding. Let's say we need to put the space of 20 pixels. Once I type this one and hit save, it will change everything there. But we need to understand why are we just saying padding 20 pixels. Here we mean top, left, bottom, and right. So by save, control plus S, and see from here, you can see here there is this huge space here, but it's only happening top, bottom, left, and right, which is very weird. Sometimes maybe I just wanted to add on top. I don't want to add everywhere. So you guys have seen the difference now. So now let's put another one. The opposite of padding is margin. Okay, margin for the margin. Yeah, margin should be 20 pixels. Okay, remember to put comma this semicolon there. Otherwise it will not work. Mm. So what do you think will happen? You see, there's a huge space outside. There's 20 pixels being added outside here from all the side, top, left, bottom. So if you add this one again to margin of 100, you guys can see very well. It will push this one up. You see, the space have gone very far. See, very big. So what we need to do should just this 1000 pixels too much. This will be 100. Okay, 100. This 100, you guys can see now there is a space here. Here 100 pixels up, 100 left, right, 100 bottom, and 100 uh, left. So it's too much. Okay, this is how you can understand the difference between margin and padding. Margin means space outside, padding is space inside. Now let's go back to our normal way of making our padding. So this is our padding here is 20. So what if we want to add, okay, only on top, okay, only on top and bottom, then we want this one to remain like this. We know these ones all 20 pixels, they are square, somehow square everywhere, the same size. So now we need to do like we need to increase only top and bottom. Let this one remain 20 pixels, but let's add this one to 40, bottom and 40. So the way we can do this one is very simple. We can say okay, on top and bottom let it be 40, okay, 40 pixels, while left, okay, and right should be 20 pixels. That's the first way how you can do this one. And go back, you can see there's a difference. Here is somehow bigger. Then from here to here is very small. You can understand like it's working. Only top and bottom will carry 40 pixels. Left and right will carry 20, 20. Okay, 20 pixels each. So you can see there's a difference. Okay, this is how we play with this box here. Secondly, maybe you don't want to do this way, you want to have another way. So let's say you want to add only in one single side. Okay, let only top here be 40. The balance should go back, let it go back to 0 0. So what do we do about that one? Okay, we can say, okay, padding on top. Okay, let's say this one here, top should be 40 pixels. Bottom, remember you're starting from top, you're going to the right, down, then you go back to your left. This one is now our top should be 40, our right should be 0, our bottom should be 0, and then go back again to your left will be 0. Save this one and see the result. You see, only this one is being added up here with the 40, but the rest is 0. That means we add nothing. So what do we do about that one? Assume you want to write in another way, because there are so many of killing chicken. Okay, we can say padding. Okay, padding top, just like this. Padding top and put 40 pixels without having any stress. Still you'll get the same result. There is no any different there. Have you seen? So up to here, let me see the comment section. You can see now. Okay, Farhan, Mubruk, Shukran. Thank you. You are saying okay. We have a please. Can you refresh? Can I refresh? Hamira, Gabriel. Yes, we are now getting you, bro. Thank you, Gabriel. We have following sir. Okay, Gacham. Okay, Ibrahim following you. Go this. Okay, fine. Let me hope you guys all is okay there. Farhan, yeah, you are getting us now. Good. Please, can you refresh, Hamira? Can I refresh or can I start it again? I don't understand your point. Or you are talking to someone to refresh the browser. Please make the clarification in the comment section. I am waiting. Hamira Alajon. Okay. So like what Bridget say, there is a this one. There is a W3 school here. It will help you a lot to understand more and more about it. You can read it, go in detail. So you can even still see here. Okay, this one's about HTML table. Someone who want to read more about documentation, everything is here. You can have this basic simple code, the same thing. Okay, you have this table here, is a opening tax, and then here is a closing tax. So you first need this element called table, and then secondly you need to have this table heading here, which is stand for th, but it has to be inside this open and close tags, or tr, to enable you to rule them out, to rule everything there. Then we have th, which stand for table heading, and then we have td here, which stand for table data. That's why we have these separate lines here. We have the heading, we make them in a red color. Then here we have the table data. My device are powering down. Okay, Abby, I will talk when I get back online. Very good, no issue, very confirmed. Then we have Ali Juma, senior 2, max 70, and then we have Ali James, senior 4, max 50. We just assume to make this very simple table. So, like we know, our topic of today will be table and the box modeling. So let's introduce you guys to box modeling. As you guys have seen already here from our style. So let me hope, or let's put in the comment, everyone know how to link style, okay, style to our HTML skeleton or HTML elements. So let me see from the comment. I can see it now. Farhan, very good. I'm happy. I get to saw. Okay. So let's go. Okay. For those who have came late or who are having problem with understanding, it's just very simple and easy. I don't mind. I can still fetch this for you guys. It's all about you first create the file. Okay. Then first create the file by giving a name, or let's close this one. Okay. Here you have this option, final revision. Click on this one. Let's start afresh. You first open, you have created your file here on your desktop. Okay, give it the name after you right click. Okay, you right click, say open with the code. Sorry, not with the Visual Code Studio. With this one, open codes. So if you have this issue, like you install your file and you are having issue of like this option is not showing on your PC, don't worry. Just open a Visual Code Studio. Okay, some people might stop while they're installing the file. They will not choose that option. Is okay. Don't blame yourself. Just open your Visual Code Studio. So what you need to do is very simple. Put this one apart here. Drag this folder here inside your Visual Code Studio. You see here the logo on the logo. Then you just remove your hand, it will open there. Once it open, maximize everything. So you have a control plus, it can make you to zoom, control minus to zoom it out. Zoom in is control plus, and then zoom minus it will zoom it out. So here you have this option here, folder with the plus sign button. Click here, give it a name, index.html. By the way, it's not by force to put index.html, but many people just use it. You can start with your name, still everything work. I can say Ali, okay, Ali uh, dot html. What matter here is the extension, okay? Extension is really matter here. So what you do, you can just say HTML, or you can say doctor, or you can say control plus question marks, all will work to bring you the same result. Okay, so this is how the file will appear. Have to zoom. Like this is okay. So you have the title here. You can give a title HTML table. Okay, final revision for those who just came late. And then we have the heading. You can give a heading from H1 up to 6. It will depend on the size you want. So all of them will show you a text bold depending on the size. From 1 it will appear very big, 2 somehow smaller, 3 up to 6 the maximum will be very small there. So otherwise if you want to increase more, then that one you can do with some styling. So we have a heading HTML table. Okay, and save. Then inside body here, this is where we can write everything. Just below this one we can say table, which is the element. Okay, then we have tr, table rule, th, table head. You can give like serial number, xn, o. You can want to put to this one, which is fine. If you want to copy this one instead of writing, then here I can say name. Okay, after name, after name, you have class. After class, you have country, something like this. Just the way how you want to format everything you want. Then under this one here, you can say tr here, then td, which stands for table data. And then here we can start like a serial number, let's say with 01. Okay, and we can copy this one here, 123. And then here we can say okay, name. What can we put the name? We can go to Ali, Juma. Then we have class, let it be Sekenia. Yeah, then we have country, let's say Morocco, something like this. And then save, Control S to save. Then go back to our this HTML and see here it's going to crash because here is index.html, it's not Ali. So assuming to go with this one directly, just click here, go live. Go live is an extension for those who have not yet installed. Okay, for those who have not yet installed the extension, it's very simple. If your screen is showing like mine, don't get confused. Just make control minus. You will see this symbol here. Extension is the shortcut is control plus shift plus X. It will just bring you here. Then you open. Type here live server. Live server. After all, you can just click here. Okay, then you can install. If it show you disable and uninstall, that means you have successfully installed it. Then once you have installed, you write all your codes here. Close that one. Once you write all your code you want to test, just click on the option here, go live. Mine is now live, that's why it's showing there on the this screen. So the result will appear like this. And then to link your CSS is very simple. It's just a matter of click on this file again, so, style. Just give anything you want to give. It's not, there's nothing wrong about it. But some people is using this one style. Okay. Dot CSS. This is the extension. Then how do we link this one? You go back to your index.html file or the name you have given. It doesn't matter. Just type the word link. Okay. This one Visual Code C will give you this propose. Just click on this one. Then you can put dot the root folder. Where does it found? Okay. Then here you have this option style.css. You just click on this one, you can pick. So what do we do with CSS? We give class or we give ID, we call it back there and pass some attributes. So we say here I want to give a class. Okay. Let the class be equal to table. Okay. Now this is the table. What I can do, I will just come here and say, okay, this is the table. Because it is class, I have to put dot, or I have to start with a dot. Then I can write the name that I have specified already. Then inside there, what can I do? I can add now the properties. What do I want to do with this table? First of all, I want to put the border around. Okay, here I want to put the border around everything. So what I can do, I can say, okay, that's good. What I can do, let me go to my CSS and say, okay, I want to put border. So how do I start with that one? I put border to the properties, and then I can pass in everything, attributes, whatever. So what I can say, okay, let it be 1 pixels. Okay, this one pixel here is showing the thickness of it. Is it going to be very thin, big, whatever, depend on the size you will specify. 1 pixel solid. Okay, then if I want to put a color with hash here, I can specify the code, hex code for that one. But now this one is a bit stronger. We'll get it tomorrow. Let's go with something direct like red. Okay, and then go back to my browser and see. You guys can see here the border have been applied. So what we can do, we can put some padding in the margin. I want to add some space inside. I'm going to use the word padding. Let it be 20 pixels everywhere, left, right, top, and bottom. Now I have my enough space. So what do I do about put every name here or the title? Let it be on what? On red. So what can I do? I will just go to my HTML. I can say, okay, this is table. Inside table, what do I have? I have rule. Then after rule, what do I have? I have th, which is the tab, the head. So I have to go with this one, select this one. And I say, okay, what I need to do, tr, okay, go and select for me th, only elements with it, th, and pass this properties on them. So what do I want to do? Okay, let the color be red. I can say, okay, color, color, let it be not red, let it be green. Let me just go with the simple one, green, and remove my, see the result in our browser is showing already green. If I want to add some lines there or border, it's very simple. I can just type the word here, border, BRD, the shortcut, border, border. Okay, what we need to do, the comma is should be like this. Sorry, my PC is using French keyboard. Okay, we have border. I can say let it be also 1 pixels, but let it be solid, like this. And differentiate this one up there. If I want to do the same thing for the second one, I can just copy this and pass it down here. What I can do instead of H, I can pass it to D, which is the data. It will have the same thing. Very simple, and this is how we can do. If I want to change this one, let it be at least blue. I can just change this color here. Instead of green, I can say here blue. Okay, then this is how it will work. Like this, everything has changed. So let me see. Yes, Hamira. Yeah, just for people who just came late, I realize some people are late. Please go ahead. We shall watch the recording. Okay, Susan, that's a good point there. Thank you. So this is where we are up to here. So this is just the basic table. So let's add our CSS box model. Okay. So let us go under this one here. Instead of table down here. So comment, okay? We want to make comment. Let this table remain up and down. So I just put here comment and I say okay, box, okay, box, go, the, so we are here. So after having here, we can say box. Let's say div, which is time for dividing content. Okay. Let's say this one should be red. Let's have some div here, whether we can style them out for you. Um, Let this one be red, this one be green, okay, and this one be yellow. I have three box. Then it will have one parent container which is known as uh, B. Let us put a class name and as box model. The class name model. Yeah, but of mine is in French, somehow disturbing. Sorry guys. Like this. Then let this one be the parent container. I mean you have to close it down here. Like this. So this is where we are. So let's go and put them first of all so you guys can see. Let's go down here and put our comment also. So to make comment also is control plus forward slash. You can just show you this one here. Then let's type here, box like this. And down here we have the name which is the class. They already have the class. Let's put these properties and then let's say first of all let the background, okay, background to add the color, background color it would be this one aqua. You can see on the screen. So this one is a parent for them. Let's first of all separate this one, this box which is bordering red with this aqua color. So what do we do here? We say margin means space outside, which is correct. We can say margin top should be 10 pixels. We want to space out this one with the 10 pixels. You see, here is 10 up from that one. So secondly, let's try to put the style with the this red color, this one. Let's go say okay, this is a class. Let's give a class of this one. It would be a red. Good. Then here we have a class should be green. Then yellow here should have a class that is going to be yellow. Okay, yellow. So now we can style everything here. We can say okay, you have dot for calling the class. You have a yellow. Let's start with the yellow. Okay, no issue. The yellow curly bracket. You say let it have color color of yellow, yellow color like this. Now if we check on the screen, it's changing only this one, but what we need to do is the background color like this one. This one is what we want. You can copy or you can just write here BG stand for background color. It will bring you this abbreviation. Background image, position, everything will follow. But our topic is background color, so we are here. Background color should be yellow. And then what do you think you can see here? You see there is yellow. So the same thing with the green and red. So let's just say let's just copy this one. Okay. Paste it here. Here we can say green. Sorry, green. Okay. Then here we can just type the word green, or we can just select from here and go with that one. It's fine. Then down here we can have red, red. Then here we can change this one to red. Here it is okay and be safe. Here we have these three boxes. So what we can do, let's do something. Let's try to put their size. Okay, let's have this height and width. Let the height be 250 pixels, and then the width will have the same thing, like 250 px. Then we just copy this one and paste this one, and as well to this one, like this. So let's see there. So 200 pixels is kind of big deal there. 200 pixels too big. Let's reduce to height will be okay. Width is okay with that one. Let height be 100. 100. Let's 100. Yeah, also 100. Now we have this one here. Okay, this for the first one. Width 100, 100, 100. Okay, yes, 100. Sorry, 100. So yes, 250. Let us see. Wait. Okay, this one is yellow. Yellow 100. Mhm. Height should be 250. No, the height should be 100 pixels, and the width should be 250. The same thing there. The height should be, it should be 250. Height should be 100. Go. So these are the boxes we have here. It's kind of pretty. Let me zoom it out. Okay, we have these three boxes here. So first of all, we need to bring them all in the middle so that we can be able to play it very well. First of all, you guys can see this aqua color here, or light blue, whatever there in the background of all of them. It's trying to, like, it's not making it. Okay, you can say, okay, give a padding of what? A padding of 20 pixels around everything. Then here we can go, yes, we have this one. And then in each boxes here, we need to give some margin so that you can separate each other. Okay. So what do? We just go back here from the yellow. Here we can say, okay, give a margin top. Let's go with margin top. Let me just, we have here this margin top, margin bottom. So we don't need to do anything at the top. Margin bottom should be 10 pixels, like this. Here, what will happen? We'll only separate one. Since we are at the end here, so it will only deal with this one. So what if we go to green and yellow? Here, margin bottom to green, and margin bottom. Right, we don't need to add there. Okay. Just want to make this one bottom 10. Here 10 up. Let's see the result. Okay. We have yellow, green, height, width, margin, bottom, margin, bottom. So this one, go live. Ali. Okay, like this. So you guys can see here we have this distance here, or just separated this box, this one up from that one. So the thing comes in okay, green and red. Green and red. Green we have margin, bottom 2 pixels. Oh, here we have a red. I need to do this. First of all, you need to save. If you don't save your code, it will not run. Okay, so you save everything. So here we have this this one have been separated. So we know already that we have padding. It can help us create the space inside and then margin create outside. As you guys have seen, I've added margin bottom to the red. It has pushed this thing down, separate itself from this green by 10 pixels. The same thing to the green, it has separated itself from yellow with the 10 pixels. So this is the first difference you guys can understand about margin. The power of putting margin is space outside, padding is space inside. Now we want to push this one. We know the side, the width already is 50 pixels, and then the height is 100. What if we want to push this one here up to the middle, and then this one? So this one is coming about positioning. So let me check the comment. How about we make 100 box width and height? Okay, it will be square. Peter, it will be square if you do this one. Can we start again? Hamira, you want us to start again from which part? Box or let's go back to table. So propose your solution. Your try to justify what do you want exactly so that we can go through because our time is also coming. So tell me, Peter, I think is okay. We can be able to put both of them can work. It will be square, no issue. 100 pixel up down. Left. It's okay. Nothing wrong about that one. So I'm just trying to make it big so that you guys can be able to see. You see my screen here very well. So Hamira, please add another comment. Do you mean I can start from beginning? Because we have a video already. It's going to be available on YouTube. I think you can be able to watch that one. So we are running out of time also. So I want to summarize something here about positioning box on top of this one we are doing. So let me hope everyone is okay. We are all here. Know how you can put the box and start adding some padding and then margin and understand the parent container and then the children. Anyone, please let me see the comment. Hamira, please you can watch the video. It's going to be available. Try to rewatch. Everything will be fine. Okay, let's carry out here or let me see the comment, guys. Please. Yeah, remember, guys. Here, this one here, W3 school. Okay, so it has everything already there. Table cells, table data. This one, all the description has been given here already. Like you guys can see, each table cell is defined by TD, and then that one, the cells just like we have row and the column. Cells there stand for column, guys, and TD stand for table data. So this is how they do, and everything between TD and this one are the content of the table cells. Just very simple, brief information there. Then row, we have TR, TR. No, R is in French. Sorry, guys. R. So stand for the table rule, which is the table row, which is all the same thing. So table header is here, THS, I've already explained. So this is the another external resources for you guys. So please don't hesitate. This link will be there in the group. Okay, especially for this one HTML. You guys just go to w3school.com. Then you have all the sections CSS, HTML, JavaScript up to there. You can learn everything from here. But for just to make it very simple, I can paste this one there in the group so you guys just can click and it can take you exactly there. So go to workshop open group. So I've pasted there already. You guys can from there for another understanding and additional. So let's go back and carry out our work. So what do we do about positioning them? So we need to have or we need to learn something to do with the positioning element, like what we have been doing already. We position some of them, the padding, try to add some margin. So now let's go and add this one on the top. So let's say comment, let's click positioning. So our topic is HTML table and then box modeling. So the box modeling is very simple. Or you just make Control Shift plus I if you want to see this one here. Then go to element So this is what we are going to talk about. This is the box. Yes, this box here. You see here I have the margin of 8 around everything, the border, the padding up to here. So this is how we deal with the box. Yeah. Let's try to play around this one. Once your code is running on your local machine, just click on Ctrl Shift plus I. You can open this one. Please select this option here and press element. Click on the element, it will bring you here. So this is the box we are going to work with it. So we are already even there. Let's first close this one so that we can see everything in a very good way. So we are here. So let's try to move this one. Let's say we want to position this one. Now the problem we will have is what? This one they are all stacked. They stand on each other or on top of each other. So what do we do about making this red? Okay, red, green, yellow. We want them to what? To be in the row. We don't want them to be in the default format, which is the column. They're just box stacked on each other. We don't want that. We want to try to make them on the row. Let this red be here, uh, green be here, and then yellow be there. So what do we do about them? So by doing this one, you don't need to panic. Just go back to your HTML. Also understand where is this box found. You see, they are found inside this light blue color. What color? Yeah. So what do? You see here, which is known as the box modeling. Good. Then this become the children of that box model. So I can just go, okay, let me copy this one, which is, or copy or go back to my CSS, the easiest way you can do, but try to master everything by just type it afresh, it will make more sense. Okay, like this. Then you put this bracket, curly bracket. After putting the curly bracket, what do? Let's say display, okay, display flex. What does flex going to do for us? See and see on the screen. What you guys can see here, but by putting the what property display flex here, everything goes into the row. But still we have challenge. It has gone into the row, but it's just being very close attached still to each other. How do we separate this line from all of them? First of all, let's try to see. Let's say justify content with the word space between. The space between. What will happen? Here we can see nothing is happening. Sometimes we might panic, like maybe the padding which is inside there is the one giving the problem. Okay, let's go and remove the padding from first of all here. Where is it? CSS box. Let's say this padding of 20 px should be removed. Out by highlight control plus forward slash. Also another simple way how you can do. You can see still it's not the problem, but you can see like yes there is some space and then just that top and something is missing. So let's say okay, if bottom and top margin, let's go with the margin with 10 pixels to each side and see up there what will happen. Remember to save your code. Margin should be 10 pixels everywhere. Let's see. Yes. Gone somewhere. Okay. Margin. Okay. Margin text. Just removing the space. Okay, let's go with the padding. Padding should be 20. Everywhere. The margin top should be removed. Don't want that margin. Everywhere. Go and see. Any different space is not enough. Okay, instead of 20, let it be 10. So we can create some space between them. Okay. So you see there is this one still attached. So remember when we are putting that one, it was margin bottom, which is the one separating everything. So what if we go back to our yellow here, instead of margin bottom, we change it to left or right. Okay, let's change this one to right and apply from right here. This Let's see. The last one is default. You can see this one have changed, that one have changed. Let's complete with this one. Not the right, right. See, now we have some space between here, a red, this one, up to there, yellow. Have a space already here, here, and there. So up to here, guys. Anyone is having doubt? Well done. Let me see, well done. Okay, Daniel, thank you. Anyone want to add some comment? Can I move ahead or what, guys? Please, please. Hello. Okay, guys. Let me see. Yeah, I think the time is already there. So sorry for the inconvenience. Like our facilitator is having a problem with network. She can't join us today, so that's why I just take the chance like not to keep you guys waiting and we have a lot to do. So just giving you some basic brief intro to table and something to do with the box. But I hope tomorrow she will come back and she will take you guys in the next level, or she will come and add something on the top of this one. So thank you guys, thank you very much for patience and being here with us online. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and your teacher or instructor or facilitator is coming tomorrow, and not tomorrow, next weekend. Start on Friday. Remember, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll update you guys. We'll keep on updating you in our group. So if anyone have issue wanted to rate me, I'm there with you guys also inside WhatsApp group. You guys just text me. I have no any problem, and then I can be able to give you guys some other ways, and we can keep on helping each other. So thank you. Have a good day and blessing for next weekend starting tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day.